Yo, what's going on, y'all? Every penny counts. This video is on Inboxdollars. All right, now I've done a couple of videos on this. I've cashed out with this site plenty of times. You see here my balance. I have $22.99. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this site and what I'm doing to make this kind of money. All right, so as soon as I come on here, the first thing I'm doing here actually is going over the coupons. All right, I click on coupons and I'm gonna show you why. You're gonna get 25 cents every single day doing this. There's a video going to pop up showing me how to make money on this. I already know how to do that. But you see here, print and earn every single day. You get 25 cents per day. All right, 25 cents each day just for, clicking on coupons. And you see here that the top, that's all you got to do. You basically just go in there, click coupons you want to use and print them out. Now, the thing is, you don't have to actually print them out, but, just click on the coupons and, it'll be somewhere in your computer. It'll say print, you print. And then it'll pop up a screen saying, you completed the offer, and you wait probably about 20 to 30 minutes and you'll get your 25 cents. That's something I do every single day. Very quick to get that, money right there. All right. So after I do that, I go over here to surveys. All right. Now surveys, this is a really good thing because on this site, you actually you fill out a profile survey. It'll kind of show you, it's actually about your demographics, all that kind of thing. So when they send you surveys, it will be directly towards you, something you will more than likely qualify for. All right. So I just go through and I try to do the surveys that are kind of worth my time. Like right here, I'm not going to take a survey for 25 minutes to get 25 cents. That's just not worth it. There's 39-minute survey, $2. I'm not really feeling that either. But right here, there's 5-minute survey, 25 cents. That's worth my time. I kind of scroll down. 8 minutes, 50 cents. 15 minutes, 75 cents. But it's like I pay attention to the amount of time it takes. Because for me, I've been doing surveys for a long time, so I can kind of do them a little faster. So this 5-minute survey might take me just 3 minutes. You know what I'm saying? This 8-minute survey might take me 5 minutes. So I kind of, do it like that. The ones that are 20 minutes, I just kind of, not that I stay completely away from them. It's just, if they're only paying me 25 cents for that amount of time, it's just not worth it for me. So just kind of find the surveys that are worth it, your time, and doing them. All right. One thing I do want to tell you, for every survey that you disqualify for, it will be added to your scratch and win bar at the top. You see here, each of these bars are amount of money that you can make. So let's say let's say I take this survey right here and I disqualify for it. My scratch and win bar will go up, probably to here. You know what I'm saying? So that's the way they do it. If you're not familiar with the scratch and win bar, all it is just once the bar gets to one of these dollar signs, you can click on it and you can actually scratch, and it will actually, give you. You have to match like 3 boxes or whatever, and it'll give you money for doing that. All right. So this site also has an app. I'm going to show you on my phone real quick. This app is something you should really download on your phone as well, because it just allows you to make money with it. For me on my phone, I'm actually playing videos as well. So you see here, I'm playing a video on my phone while I'm on this site. I'm always doing this. Like if I click here, click towards the end of the video. See, I got 1 minute and 10 seconds. I'm just going to let that play out and just kind of show you what happens at the end of each video, how I'm making quick money. All right, well, that one, not enough time between videos or whatever. But anyway, the main thing I wanted to show you here is the emails. Let me see if I just put my phone down so it's easier for me to do it like that. So first, I'm going to show you the scratch and win bar real quick. I click on this. And like I said, these are the scratch win bars. This is the first one. This is the second one and third one. Now, I haven't unlocked the second and third one here, but you just scratch right here with your finger, and it'll give you the amount that you earned. And you see there, I will get 4 cents. I matched 3 boxes. You see there, 4 cents. Click earn more just to get my balance, to load. And you see there, I have $23.11 now. All right, so my balance actually, it actually hasn't even updated on my computer. It updates faster on my phone for whatever reason. I don't know what type of case it is. So you see here, my computer had $22.99, but now I have $23.11 on my phone. I don't know what the problem that is. But another thing I want to show you, see that envelope right there, 15. That's 15 emails. And each email they send you, all you gotta do is click on it, confirm the email, and you get 2 cents. So I'm gonna click on that and show you how easy it is to make money with this email thing. You see here, I'm scrolling down, just showing you all the emails that they're sending me. I just click on one, say please wait. I'll scroll to wherever it says confirm this email. I confirm it right there. Then I go back up to the top. You see there, I got $23.13 now. Now, click on another one, just showing you how easy this is. Any one of them, doesn't even matter. Again, going down to wherever it says confirm your email at the bottom right here. Confirm this email. A new page will pop up. You see here, I got $23.13. Let's click on the balance again. It'll update 15 cents. I got 13 more I can do that with. So make sure you do click on your emails. That's easy money, 2 cents a pop. They send you lots of them. You see I got 13 more in my inbox. Very, very easy to do. All right, now you see here again, I had this search, I mean not this search, but this bar scan. That's something that is recently added. I click on that. It's basically going to stores and you're basically just scanning products. That's all you're doing. This is just another way to make money with this site. It'll show you the stores that are close to you in your area. You see here, Walmart is close to me. I click on that and it'll show you all the products that I have to actually scan. And each product is 5 cents. So if I go to the store and I find these products, I get 5 cents just to scan. I don't have to buy them. All I gotta do is scan the barcode, 5 cents. And they have lots of different stores, lots of different items you can choose from. So that's another way that you can make money. That's why it's important to download the app. You know what I'm saying? So you can have this way to make money with as well. And it's, like I said, it shows you all the stores in your area and the amount of money that you can make. Like I said, each barcode you scan is 5 cents. All right. So it's very easy money. Just when you're out and about, just, make sure you get involved with that. But back over here to the site. Like you see here, my balance still hasn't updated. I don't know what the deal is with that. But, this site, a lot of different ways to make money with it. Like I said, the TV thing, that's one I run on my phone. As I was showing you earlier, I let that run on my phone and just kind of let my balance pile up with that. The coupons, the surveys, the offers, I always do 100% free offers. I don't do anything where I have to put my money in my pocket. So just stay, alert for that. Just easy way to make money with it. This site will give you $5 to sign up with. Once you sign up with the referral link that's in the description, you get $5 instantly. All right, that's how they look out for their members who are actually being referred by someone else. So you have to use the referral link in order to get the $5. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click on the referral link. That's so you can get $5. Because if you go directly through the site, you might not get it, and you kind of lose out on $5, and that's a lot of money to lose out on. So on this site, you can actually cash out at $30. That's high. But you see here, I just showed you all the different ways you can get money with it. It's very easy to do. You see here, those are the emails that I just did this morning. They have PayPal, and they have other different gift cards you can use in order to cash out in this site. So very, cool site in my opinion. Like I said, I've cashed out in this site a few times. I have other videos on this site, payment proof and all that kind of stuff. So just get involved with it. You know what I'm saying? Go get those coupons at 25 cents a day. Let the TV run. Just make a few pennies, here and there for every video that you watch. Do surveys, do offers, all that kind of stuff. The search bar, every search you get, adds to your scratch and win bar. So lots of different ways to make money with it. Just be willing to put in the effort and just do what I just showed you in this video, and you'll be completely fine. You'll be able to cash out in no time. All right. So that's it for this video. Remember, click on the link in the description so you can get that $5. And always remember, every penny counts.